Welcome guys, kaya dito auto-pick agad natin yung jungle. At dito guys, may isang gustong kumuha na kagustuhan kong mag-jungle. Pag nag-chat pa dito na siya nga daw ang jungle pero hindi tayo papayag yan guys. At dito nila ko na nga agad si Gusion. Kaya wala siyang nagawa dito kundi magpalit ng spell. Kaya ako pinilit mag-core kasi 2 beses na ako natalo na hindi ako nakakapag-core. Hindi ko naman sinasabi guys na basta core ako mananalo na agad, kaya dito panoorin nyo kung ano mangyayari. Kaya dito guys, agad na ako pumunta sa red buff dahil yung golden ay nasa top lane.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning.
Pagkatapos ko nga mag-level 4, agad na nga akong pumunta dito sa top lane. Nakita ko nga ang Mia dito kaya agad ko na siyang binigyan.
And I'm closing in and not getting there.
Kaya dito guys, panoorin nyo lang kung paano ko tinapos ang laban na to.
Like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I'll win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame. I admit it. Looking to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.